In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a concept map in Confluence Cloud with Draw.io. By the end, you'll know how to set up a blank diagram right inside your Confluence page and build a clear, readable concept map from scratch. First, head to your Confluence space and open the page where you want the map to live in editor mode. You'll need edit access to see the / commands and embed tools. It helps to pick a page dedicated to your topic so the map has room to breathe. Think of this page as the home for your diagram, where teammates can view and reference it alongside related content. Next, start a new Draw.io board. On a fresh line in the editor, type / then draw. Select the Draw.io macro that appears. Confluence will insert an embedded diagram block and open the Draw.io editor. If your workspace uses diagrams under a different name, you may see diagrams.net, which is the same tool. Choose a blank diagram to begin with a clean canvas so your layout isn't constrained by templates. Once your new board opens, you can design a custom concept map. A concept map visualizes relationships between ideas, so begin with your central concept in a large shape near the middle. Drag a rectangle, ellipse, or rounded shape from the left panel onto the canvas, then double-click to name it. From there, add related ideas around it. Use connectors to show how everything ties together. Click a shape, drag from the blue arrows that appear on its edges, and release on the target shape. You can switch connectors between straight, elbow, or curved lines and add arrowheads to indicate direction. Keep labels short and specific. Use nouns or short phrases for nodes, and use verbs or linking phrases on the connectors if that clarifies the relationship, like leads to, contains or says or depends on. For readability, apply consistent colors and styles. One color for major branches, a lighter shade for subtopics, and uniform line weights for similar relationships. Use the toolbar to adjust fill colors, borders, and fonts. The Align and the Distribute tools help keep everything tidy. Snap to Grid ensures even spacing. As your map grows, zoom out occasionally to check the overall flow from central idea to supporting details. If something looks crowded, spread nodes evenly and avoid line crossings by rerouting connectors. Add brief callouts only when necessary to clarify definitions or exceptions, keeping the main map focused. That's it. You've created a clear concept map inside Confluence Cloud with Draw.io, ready for your team to review and build on.